Hello again to everybody. In my first videos of the series Welcome to the Reality, I explained to the people, and I know how stupid this idea can be, okay? But you have to understand, because you have to have a good foundation, okay? So I explained how we came from the seeds of the father and the seeds of the mother. Okay, we are here to make this baby. This is the true map. Okay, now in my videos I also explain how the seeds of the father will make a wall, will build a wall around the garden, so to speak, okay, of the oval of the mother, and later this will be till the birth, the Shekinah, okay. I highly recommend you to watch my videos. You must have a good foundation, the Shekinah. Okay, now the interesting fact, okay, of this wall, you see it's very thin here. The very interesting fact of this building, what the seeds of the father are building, and the connection to the Shekinah, is that this will become in the future your skin, okay? And not only that, the biggest organ of the body, of the human body, in our case, is the skin, but it's even inside you. This layer will connect every organ, and we took you to be one person, okay? Will protect any organ from the other organs, connected it with the other organ, and this will end like your skin, okay, but is even inside every part of your body. And this Shekinah, in the end, you have it inside and outside. Outside is like the skin, inside is like a protective skin layer that protect every organ of your body, okay. Now, anatomically speaking, okay, this organ, okay, that the seeds of the father are constructed or built it, okay, are the most important invisible organ of a human body, okay. Then I made a video, and I think was the last one that I made the other days, and I talk about family tree and the seed of the bad family tree. Now, in that video I explained how these seeds were put in the garden, and every one of kind of us must build organs, because our end, so to speak, will be, okay, the work will be finished when this baby will be born. Now, so we have a mother, we have also a father, period, okay. Please understand, we still are in the womb of our mother. Now, this bad tree family doesn't want, so to speak, to be an organ, okay. So what this bad family tree done and want to be is that they want it to be like the seed of the father. So they steal, okay, children or women, from the seeds of the father, thinking that in that way they will mingle, so to speak, as two outside appearance be as the seeds of the Most High, the Father. Okay. So now because so they were from the beginning disobedient. We find in the Bible, so to speak, explanation from Jesus how the hands and your feet and your eye and your mouth have to be at the place and be obedient because they are part of the same body, and so on and so on. Okay, you have to understand that you must have a good foundation when you want, so to speak, to preach. Okay, now the other part is that the Father it's against any religion. No religion was needed, no time. Neither kings or presidents or rulers over the people. The only thing that we need is the law, the 10 Commandments. Those commandments were written, okay, in every one of us. Now, if you want to understand in some way, the explanation is that the seeds of the Father will complete, the creation of your body, because they are from the beginning making, that huge layer there is inside you and outside you, finished as your skin, your Shekinah. You have the Shekinah inside your, that's wrapping, around your organs and connected it with other organs, and outside. This keep you all as a whole, that you can walk, work, and so on. Now, the importance in the books, or what we have to understand, is that these seeds, okay, are in some way leadership of the others, because inside them is the knowledge naturally on where to build, what to build. They are not doing the big work as they trying to tell you, but with a good leadership, okay, not priests, not kings, okay, and naturally a way of life. They will build the system of the body. Okay. Now, when this bad family tree still baby or babies, okay, from the seed of the Father, and then mingle with those seeds. The explanation is that seeds that would be some organ in the body, okay, try to be that organ, okay, the Shekinah. That it's very, 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 very wrong. So in order to understand, you must understand that it's like when the baby is formed, instead of the Shekinah in his body, another seed take over and will build. It's, for me, it's so horrifying, this idea that every time I got sick, okay, so it's like when you had the hair of the inside and the intestine kind of stuff on like your skin. It's an abomination, okay? It's not good. So this family trees does not ever understood that they have to be at their place, as in your human organ body. Everything to function in order must be in his place. Now, from all over the world, we find that how strange the leaders of the ancient leaders always in the books have this Scythian cup. Now, don't hate me because I'm Romanian and this is the Dacian, or Thracian, Scythian cup, and it's not that I'm sustaining nothing. You have to understand the foundation, okay? So this everywhere in the books, a good leader had a Scythian, okay, Dacian cup. They were humble. You see how they are humble. They don't pretend anything, you see. But they had a good way of life, and they will build things naturally, okay? Okay, you see the leader with the Scythian cup and the others, okay, they had to be put in their place. Now, then there is a part in the Bible when Moses appeared and they were attacked by snakes, and yeah, it's kind of symbolic, and how they talk about how they understood what Moses teach them, okay? So Moses put a snake on a stick and put this snake on the stick high in a high places, from where they could see this thing, okay? Now, people have always misunderstood because there is no religion on the earth. The religion was invented from the bad seed because they want to be like the Most High seed, okay? And it's not Christ on a cross, okay? It's kind of idolatry, that thing. We have to love Christ because Christ was sent to the Iber, as I told you, and to the Arabs, to remember them, the law. There are 10 commandments, period, okay? Now, the Dacian flag, okay? Then when you will think whatever you want to think, okay? Before they were conquered, so to speak, by Romans, but they were trodden under the foot of all nations, not only by the Romans, okay? Even was a snake on a stick, you see? A snake on a stick. And they will put the snake on the stick, okay? High. Now, I firmly believe that what Moses, okay, teach them was to get example from that people, nation if you want, okay, and their way of life, how they live. Now the history was already changed and people talk so badly about the Thracian and the Dacian, but they were the last conquered, okay? And they were neither conquered, so to speak, perfectly, but they resist, so to speak. We have a lot of real stories and tradition of our way of life. So I will make another video because the time is short, but in the next video I will explain how the Most High, or the Father, okay, use nations, okay, to punish people, okay.